Okay, my people, now good morning. My name is Philemon Amos. I don't come with one breaking news, one story we know sweet. We happen for Obodo Ibo. This country now one of the Islamic country, I'll call am Muslim country, which is now Turkey and Syria. As of yesterday, 6 February 2023, getting the call, we for Nigeria no know am, they call am say earthquake. Shall we dey hear am, but e never happen for Nigeria here. Na here we dey hear am. Yesterday, as of 6 February 2023, earthquake hit both Syria and Turkey, and they talk say the earthquake strong well, no be small. This earthquake na about 7.5 magnitude. If this kind thing happen for Nigeria, I no sure abeg everybody go survive because no be small thing, no be small gbege. So now, for the country Turkey and Syria, people wey lost their life for Turkey na about 21,000 people lost their life for Turkey as of yesterday. People wey lost wey dey no see, and some dey wey dey injured, na total na about 51,000 people both for Syria and Turkey. Not just that one, plenty people don lost their businesses, houses, farms, everything just waka comot like that for the country. Even e get one footballer wey dey call am, one former Chelsea and former Newcastle player dey call am, na Ghanaian stars, na even our African brother sef dey call am Christian Atsu. As of yesterday, they say him bin dey miss, they no see am. But as I follow tori this morning, thank God they say they don see am, but him too e dey injured. He gather wound for legs, sef to breathe na wahala for himself. So now make our prayers dey with that country because earthquake no be small thing. As of other countries there wey don see this kind thing before, they know how the thing dey be. So I go beg all of us make we pray for this country, because earthquake no be something wey you go like make you call your country, because if you call your country no be small thing una go lose. Both lives o, businesses o, houses o, go follow go. So na the tori wey I say make I tell una this morning be that. Una continue dey watch Daybreak TV. My name na Philemon Amos.
Daybreak TV, news as it breaks.